guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you the best Japanese chicken teriyaki recipe, guys. So these days I am into meat and everything, guys. So this is one of the best recipes that I'm gonna recommend to you. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, what we are gonna need is we are gonna need chicken ribs. I have prepared a bowl like this. I've pre-washed this chicken ribs twice. And then what you are gonna do is you are gonna lay out the ribs into the plate, skin facing the plate. So like this. And then what we are gonna do, we are gonna do seasoning, guys. So I'm gonna put salt. Do not think that this is much salt because it's only seasoning. Then we are gonna dry them out with the paper towel, guys. So this is totally fine. Then guys, we are gonna take black pepper and we are gonna season with the black pepper too. Guys, for 5 minutes now we are gonna wait so the seasonings will be transmitted to the chicken, guys. And after 5 minutes we will dry them out with paper towel, guys. In the meantime, guys, I would like to share our ingredients. So we are gonna use vegetable oil. In total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. And then we are gonna use soya sauce. In total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna use honey. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon in total. Guys, if you do not have honey, you can replace it with sugar. If you are gonna use sugar, it should be 2 tablespoons. All right, guys. Then I have used salt and pepper for the seasonings. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna dry them out. Guys, also I would like to mention, for those of you who have sake at home, you can use sake. In total 3 tablespoons. I prefer not to use sake, guys. Guys, after 5 minutes, you're gonna take, I've taken actually 5 pieces of paper towel and then just dry them out. You see the water here? It should be all dried out. And then I'm gonna just take it all. And then the other side also should be dried out. The reason we are drying them out is that when you are gonna place it on the vegetable oil on the pan, not to have any kind of issues when frying. Start cooking, guys. I'm gonna start with opening the fire on the highest level. Then guys, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Just make sure it goes all over the pan. Guys, when your vegetable oil gets hot on the pan, take your chicken ribs. Make sure that the skin goes like this and it goes under. And then just place it. Then again, you see the skin. You can press a little if you want to. Guys, approximately after 2 minutes, we start turning them over. You will see the skin like this. The chicken wrist. Guys, when you flip the chicken wrist, you can make the fire on the medium. Alright? So this way we are gonna wait the other side to cook well. Guys, once in a while just flip the chicken wrist so they will be cooked on both sides the same way. And just press on the chicken. Guys, at this stage what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the fire and I'm gonna take out the oil. Just make sure that oil goes out. I want to make sure that I will not have any oil, so I'm gonna dry it out with paper towel. Open the fire back, guys, on medium. Just place the ribs in circle because of the sauce and honey. If you want to use sake, they can use sake too. So in total 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. 1, 2, 3. Here the soya sauce. Now guys, it's time for the honey. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the honey on soya sauce and just make sure it goes all around. Guys, at this point what we are doing is we are giving the taste for chicken teriyaki really nice soft texture with the soya sauce and honey. Just make sure that you flip them up on both sides so they should soak all the soya sauce with honey, and for those of you who are using sake, it should soak that too. You see the color has changed? So this is what we want. We want all of the sauce to be in with the chicken. Just guys, once in a while flip, and until the soya sauce with honey not left, we are gonna cook till the last drop. Guys, when you see that your chicken rib skin is red like this, it means it's enough and it's cooked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking them out into the wooden table. Look at this beauty, guys, and it looks very good. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This recipe, guys. Guys, bon appetit. Try this out and let me know what is the best recipe of yours of Japanese chicken teriyaki, guys. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice, great evening. Goodbye, guys.